Severe thunderstorm warning.
20%.
Oh, this is big. This is gonna be big. Watch this.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Madison County, northern Shelby County, Hancock County, northwestern Rush County, northeastern Morgan County, Johnson County, north central Brown County, southeastern Hendricks County, southwestern Henry County, Marion County, southern Hamilton County, until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Fisherston near Indianapolis to 11 miles northwest of Martinsville, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Shelbyville, Carmel, Fishers, Noblesville, Greenwood, Lawrence, Plainfield, Franklin, Greenfield, Beech Grove, Martinsville, Speedway, Mooresville, Southport, Westfield, Avon, New Whiteland, Cumberland, and McCordsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 60.
Oh my gosh.
Showers and thunderstorms after midnight.
What just happened?
Chance of rain for 24. Interstate 74 between mile
Okay.
markers 69 and 114. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Brown, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, and Shelby. Severe thunderstorm watch number 5.